out in there, congratulations to Premier Grammar School. A 48-year-old American-based professional accountant, Olalekan Bamidele Akinyemi, has been installed as Senbadejo of Odosenboyejo quarters, or Jowo Ijebu-Igbo in Ijebu North local government area of Ogun State. A member of Jog's family, Otunba Olalekan Akinyemi, is stepping into the shoes of his father, Otunba engineer Olorunshola Badejo Akinyemi, who was once the holder of the title. People and Event School was at the Emmanuel Hall, or Jowo Ijebu-Igbo, where the prescribed authorities of traditional titles of Ijebu land conducted required rite in grand style.
It was yet another opportunity for the Olokene of Ojo, Ijebu-Igbo Oba Abdurrashid Abayomi Banjo to reward excellence. The name of Olalekan Bamidele Akinyemi tops the list for his numerous philanthropic gestures to the people of Ojo and beyond.
I believe that for any performance that is driven by love, it has to be sustainable. And the sustainability of performance lies in motivation. That was what actually informed us, appreciating people who have done well to us in the last 5 years, knowing full well that no tree can make a forest. Some people have contributed immensely to the progress of the community, and at least we have to reward them by giving them title so that they will do more. So it has been our attitude to reward those who have done very well.
The new Senbadejo was surrounded by his age group, Egbe Boba Mayegun of Akile Ijebu, an old student of the famous Ijebu de Grammar School. Otunba Akinyemi was overwhelmed with joy. Also excited was his aunt, Alhaja Aderonke Balogun, who raised Otunba Olalekan Akinyemi from where his mother stopped at a tender age.
It means a lot to me because she's stepping into their father's shoes, which is something I cherish. So I thank God that at least one of them is still alive to step into their father's shoes.
It means a lot to the family, especially because this is a continuation of family tradition. But our father already came that light, even in the bigger schools. So for us as a family, we are very happy. We are very joyous that this honor has been bestowed on Otunba Akinyemi again, so that the Akinyemi family can continue to celebrate every time.
The Otunba Senbadejo of Ojo Ijebu-Igbo said he was aware of what's expected from the holder of such a big title in the society.
No matter where you are, home is home. Ijebu-Igbo is our home. Please come back and help develop our town and do your best to help the community. We cannot rely on the government to do everything. We have to also give back to our community. So you that God has blessed, pay it back to the community as well.
A grand reception took place at Omoilu Foundation Hall, Ijebu-Igbo, where guests had a swell time with enough to go round.
Our 500 capacity auditorium has